Everyone, I'm Mark Rosenthal with you on this Monday. I'll tell you, I've been peering at the weather maps all night long. Incredible what I'm seeing here, folks. This is going to be one heck of a snowstorm starting tonight. So we have so much to talk about. Let's just get into it, shall we? And look at the weather headline as we prepared it for you. A major snowstorm is on the way for tonight and tomorrow. Now, earlier I thought when I wrote this, the heaviest in easternmost New England. But I think a good chunk of New England is going to share in plowable snow. Blizzard conditions are likely from Boston to Providence to Cape Cod. Later on tonight and all day tomorrow. With power outages, there could be some minor coastal flooding at the time of high tide, but more beach erosion is likely. Now, I want to bring on a 500 millibar map. This is 18,000 feet jet stream level, and I want to show you the players in the field. We have this northern stream trough of low pressure, which is going to be diving down, holding hands with this guy in the southern stream. They're going to form right off the mid-Atlantic coast late tonight and tomorrow, and one heck of a deepening area of low pressure will start to accelerate off to the northeast, just pasting us with heavy snow and high winds, so gear up for that. All right, let's get into it. This is off the European model. 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, we have about a 972 millibar low, 700 miles southeast of Cape Cod. But I'll tell you what, this thing is really going to bomb out. Strong northeast winds, heavy snow coming in from the ocean. It's going to seem like a blizzard, and it will be a blizzard, certainly by tomorrow afternoon. As a matter of fact, we look at the weather map tomorrow afternoon. Now look, even though the storm is fairly far out to sea, in the upper levels of the atmosphere, there's a lot of lift, a lot of action going on. So this storm now, I think, is down to about 970 millibars. 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, just lashing the coast from Boston to Providence to Cape Cod with winds gusting to 60 miles an hour and heavy bands of snow coming in. It's certainly going to be cold enough for snow, with temperatures actually falling below freezing by tomorrow afternoon. And as we bring in the weather map for tomorrow night at about 8 o'clock, we're still getting backlash snows coming down from the north and northeast. So it still could be snowing 8, 9 o'clock in Boston, beginning to wind down. And behind that, cold northwest winds on the backside of the storm should be with us for the balance of the week. So if you're looking for a major league warm-up, folks, forget it. All right, before we show you the snowfall totals, let me tell you what's happening for today. Increasing clouds, it'll be cool, temps very close to 40. Overnight, cloudy, windy, cold, snow developing near freezing. Now, this is what the European is thinking in terms of snowfall. The lighter shades here is over 1.5 feet of snow from around Plymouth to Cape Cod, over 1 foot in Boston, over 1 foot in Maine. Down east Maine gets hammered. But even in the ski hills, if the European is right, it's over 1 foot of snow from southern Vermont, northern Vermont, and the Berkshires as well. All right, so this is what I'm going for in terms of my snowfall totals. From Brockton to Plymouth to Providence, we're looking to Cape Cod, including Nantucket and Martha's Vineyard, 10 to 20 inches. From Boston points north and west, at least 12 to 16 inches, and that might be conservative. That's what I'm thinking. 5-day forecast, let's bring it on. Heavy snow tomorrow, blizzard conditions, temps near freezing. I had that for the Cape, that's wrong. Forget about that, it's for Boston. And then Wednesday, snow showers, windy and cold Thursday, Friday, and then warming up by the second half of the weekend. But of course, we're going to be here throughout the day. We'll keep you posted for more weather on the radio if you're driving in your car. I'm on a great radio station in Plymouth, the Boston station, Easy 99.1 FM. Till then, I'm Mark Rosenthal. Be safe.